Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome to WorldTVOnDemand.com, or what we're calling it sometimes nowadays is the Harold Jackson Show. Well, today we're going to talk about OBS because a lot of you are making YouTube videos and you're wanting to record stuff on your computer and you want to know what OBS is all about. So I've been using OBS for a few years, and I'm telling you, I still don't know everything, but that's what I'm using today, and I'm going to show you a little bit about what I know because it takes a lot of using it to learn how to use everything on it, and I still don't know everything. So this is the logo. You click on it, open it up. I do have it recording right now, so I'm going to show you the screen and show you the video of what I'm doing here. But I've been a little under the weather, so I took my picture off the OBS, but I'm going to turn this one off, and now I'm going to change it to the scene that I have where my picture's at there, and then I'll hit record again. Start recording. So now you can see my pictures here, and you can see how it cascades, but that's alright. I know you're going to have a lot of questions about that. And then also when you minimize it, you're going to record whatever you're doing here on the desktop. So for instance, if you're going to YouTube, you can actually go into YouTube and you can actually play a video, and you could you can record the video right off of YouTube because it's still streaming. Of course my picture's on there, but when I'm recording stuff that I'm going to save, I don't want to have my picture on there. But yeah, you could go into, let's just say, one of these videos that I've got here, and let's just click on it. I'm going to turn the, let's see, and then you could also go full screen, and you could record it like that. So that's one use for it. I'm done with this. So that's one use that you could use for it. A lot of people want to use it for live streaming for YouTube, and there's a little bit of setup to do that with, but you can start stream live right there, start streaming. But you got to have good upload speed, and you got to have your YouTube channel key to put in the setup when you're doing this. So that's just a short tutorial of OBS, and I'll put a link down below it for the free download. But it's very cool, very fun to use, and hope you enjoyed my video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, post them in the video below. And this is just to tell you what OBS is about, and give you an idea of a free tool that you can use to record your desktop and make some great videos. So you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.